guys while I wasn't recording, but fast spin for the win. A 5 trigger. Look. It's only a 375. I do wish I was betting more, but we got 5 of the dragons. Yeah. I'm hoping it gives me more games, but I'm not sure because this is my first time playing this. So, and it's nickels. It's nickels, so 375. Oh, it doesn't give you extra games. What a bummer. But we're gonna hope for a big win. Already got 375 just for the trigger. The trigger was the biggest portion of this win.